Hi guys, so we are seated on a bench in this park. In this park where these dwarf trees, parang it's like a dwarf pine trees. You show them. This tree is called Tamaris pentanda. Apparently it was introduced here in the 1800s by a Frenchman called Pierre Ducasse. And now it's in the parks. It's also in the park at La Concha, right? We are now on the Ondarreta Beach. This is the third beach of San Sebastian. It shares the same coastline as La Concha, but it starts over there on the right side where the tunnel is. That is Pico del Oro, the stone or the rocks that are jutting out to the ocean. That's Pico del Oro. So that divides La Concha and Ondarreta Beach. Now, if you pan to the front, we have Mount Orgul and then the Santa Clara Island. If you pan to the beach, there is a playground, a small playground for the kids. And this is a more accessible beach than La Concha, because at La Concha you don't have access to the beach from the roads. This one, it has a boardwalk, right? But this one, there is a parking lot underneath this park, and they can easily come up and enjoy a picnic at the beach. So that's why more families come here, because they can take their cars, drive here, park, and then enjoy it with the family. We are going to that the tip over here, and we'll see the art pieces that are there. Right in front is a work of art. It is called El Peine de los Vientos, or the wind combs. It was done by Eduardo Chillida. So it gives us spectacular images when the waters hit the art forms over there. It was created in 3 pieces, so 1, 2, 3. So many people in front of us taking pictures in front of it. It's actually just one set, but there are 3 composed of 3 pieces, all emerging from the rock. Okay, done that. We'll walk back to Ondaretta, past Pico de Loro, and on to La Concha Beach, and then home. That's about 20 minutes walk. 20 to 30 minutes walk. Okay, let's go. Mamba, ang lamig-lamig pati bata nilalabas. Careful ng hot washing your hands. And then we'll go up there.
Yeah.
The ramp, last ramp.
Where Pico de Loro is.
Yeah. There's someone taking a swim. Over there.
There.
Yeah. What are you doing? Maybe the water's warm.
I don't think so.
Not as cold as here.
This is the boundary line, if you will, between Ondarreta, which is on our left, and La Concha, which is on our right. And this promontory is called Pico de Loro. And just like that, we're in La Concha.
It took us 30 minutes to walk here because we had to stop at Pico de Loro. But here we are in front of La Concha. But we're not going to La Concha, we're going straight to our house. So we'll cut through the buildings here, the side streets. So see you in our next video. Bye!